Alright, this is a video about how to use Microsoft Word's text editor, Mac text editor. So I'm in the on page 107 of the book, and I'm going to type this formula, which is a formula that there is a chance that you might need to use. So I'm in Word, going to press Insert. So usually you are in this screen, so Insert, and you go to right until you find Equation and you use equation and you have your equation. Now you have a lot of things here, so let's type my equation. So r equals, I have a fraction. Excellent. On the top of the fraction I have the summation symbol. So I go to the summation symbol. Have a parenthesis here. So I'm going to enter a parenthesis. Then I have x I, which is this one. So x I minus, I have x bar, which is the mean. So one of the accents here is this one, x bar. Okay, times, same process again. Oops, sorry. So y I minus y bar. So the mistake here, it's on the accent. So y bar, close the parenthesis. Go on the bottom, I have a square root. So you need to play a little bit with it. Square root. Then you have the summation symbol again. Summation. Oops, that did not work because I was not inside this. So I have the summation symbol here, and now I'm going to have a kind of hard thing. I need to put values here. So xi, so xi minus x bar again. You could have copied and pasted from above. Probably that would have been the smartest thing to do. X bar, close the parenthesis, and you have the square root. I continue summation. Okay, I'm going to copy this thing from above. So I'm going to copy it. Let's see how I'm going to do it. So I'm going to have to do this idea here. Here parenthesis. I copied what I had from above, square root, and I'm done. One nice thing that you can always do when you click here, it's nice to put professional here, and that's good. You can put it at the beginning if you want. It doesn't have to be at the center. You can do whatever you want to do. A very important thing is how you can access the chi. So for chi-squared, let me show you how you do this. So insert equation. The chi symbol is going to be located here, lowercase. This is chi. But wait, that's not what I really wanted. I want chi-squared. So you go there, and now I'm going to, oops, that's not it. I locate it here, and I have chi squared, and that's how you have chi squared. But wait a minute, that's not what we have. So let's see what we have. What you might actually want to use this. Want this kind of thing. Oh, what is this? This is chi. So let me put chi first. Chi squared, and what you want to put here at the bottom, let's say calculated. Calc. So that's a way how to do it. And you want, let's say, you want this to be greater than the critical value or anything. Uh, so this is how you work with it. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know.